Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is the place where we try to break down big topics in finance, businesses and professional growth. Today I'm going to discuss something that thousands of accounting students and finance professionals face every year, and this is the ACCA exams. Whether you are just considering the ACCA qualification, already studying, or supporting someone who's on the journey, this episode hopefully will give you some clarities, motivation, and a few tips to help along the way. So let's start. What does ACCA stand for? ACCA stands exactly as the Association of Chartered Certified Accountant, is one of the world's largest and most respected accountancy bodies. It is recognized globally in over 180 countries. That means if you want a career in accounting, audit, tax or finance with international opportunities, ACCA can open heavy doors. So before you earn those letters after your name, you'll need to pass a series of exams that test everything from basic accounting skills to strategic decision making. So we can go a little bit deeper in it. ACCA exams are divided into 3 levels. Applied knowledge, first level, applied skills, the second one, and strategic professional level, the third one. That all 3 adds up to 13 exams plus the ethics module. Tough exemption, though exemption may apply if you already have prior studies that match the exam syllabus, of course. So let's break the exam. First segment level, it is applied knowledge. At this first stage, you are building the foundation. There are 3 exams. First, it is business and technology. This covers the role of businesses in society, corporate governance, ethics, and how accountants fit into the bigger picture of management. The second exam is management accounting. Here, you dive into costing techniques, budgeting, break-even analysis, and performance measurements. Basically, how managers use numbers to make a decision. Going further, financial accounting. This focuses on fundamental of double entry, bookkeeping, preparing financial statement, and understanding accounting standards. Think of applied knowledge as your toolkit. Going to the second stage, applied skills, you move on to 6 exams that take you deeper into the technical side of the accounting, which is first is corporate and business law, my favorite one that I had a lot of problem in this exam. Here you will be tested as understanding legal frameworks, contracts, employment law, and company law. The second one is performance management, more advanced management, accounting, decision making, under risk variances, actually a performance analysis. Another exam is taxation. This part covers the principle of taxation, calculating tax liabilities for individuals and businesses, and the basic of tax planning. Going further, financial reporting exam. This prepare you for producing financial statements for groups, applying IFRS standards and interpreting accounts. Going more further, audit and assurance exam examines the principle of auditing, risk, evidence, internal control, and audit reports. And financial management, which focuses on investment appraisal, working capital management, sources of finance, and risk management. At this level, the exam tests not just knowledge, but how you apply it to businesses scenarios. Finally, the toughest stage that I am now, the strategic professional level, which is split into essential and option. However, before starting this level exams, it is recommended by the ACCA body that the ethics and professional skills module to be completed. So, going back to the exam structure, on the last part, as I said, they are structured in between essential and option. On the essential one, which is compulsory, it is first exam strategic business leader, a case study exam testing leadership, strategy, governance, risk, technology, and decision making. It's about being able to think like a senior executive. The second one is strategic, the second compulsory, strategic business reporting. Test your ability to apply accounting standards in complex situation and evaluate financial statement from a stakeholder's perspective. Going to the last part, which are option, you need to choose 2 exams of the 4 available one. The 4 available are first, advanced financial management for those interested in treasury, corporate finance, and advanced risk management. The second one is advanced performance management, focuses on the strategic management, accounting, performance, a performance evaluation, and a more advanced business strategy. The third one is advanced taxation, goes deeper into tax planning, ethics in taxation, and complex cases for individual and of course corporation. The last one that you can choose from is advanced audit and assurance, test advanced audit technique, ethics, and reporting for complex entities. This final stage is where you are really tested on professional judgment. So the kind of thinking you'll need in senior finance roles. Now, passing this exam is no like walk in the park. Students often struggle with balancing study, work, and personal life. There, as you can see, there are lots of content. Just look at it, and exam demands strong exam technique that you have to develop a strong technique actually. But there are some successful tips that I experienced during my last 3 years of study, like from this. Always make a study plan in advance, like map out months in advance, not weeks. Like always be ahead with everything. Do past exam practice as much as you can. The examiner style matters as much as the syllabus. Of course, use official ACCA resources, examiners, reports, and technical articles are a gold. ACCA released a practice platform, actually, which you will have access to when you enroll as a student. So it is very helpful. Another tip is be consistent. Consistency is the best weapon in this war, because it's kind of this journey is a war with yourself. So even 20 minutes a day adds up. Do not rely only on weekly lecture, as you will forget from one week to another. Be sure of that. There are too many information. So go there, just little by little. However, don't forget to look after yourself. Like a good sleep, exercise, and mindset are just as important as knowledge in exam performance. If you don't sleep well before exam, believe me, trust me, by my experience, is awful. So why you put yourself in all this? Because once you get qualified, ACCA gives you global recognition, career mobility, and credibility in any finance role. Whether you want to be an auditor, CFO, consultant, or entrepreneur, those letters, ACCA, signal expertise and professionalism. As a result, to wrap up this episode, the ACCA journey is a tough but transformational. You'll come out not only with a qualification, but also with problem-solving skills, resilience, the one that I learned by the hard way, and the global mindset. So if you are just starting, good luck. If you are midway, as I am, keep going. And if you are supporting someone, your encouragement means more than you know. That's all for today's episode. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit subscribe and share it with someone you know who may need it. So see you soon with more information about each of the exams. See ya.